everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be experimenting with Tamagotchi on customization by removing the faceplate. I bought this Tama specifically for this experiment, used from Amazon. I paid about $38 USD for it. I actually haven't opened the box yet, so I just need to make sure the Tama functions okay before we get started. To take apart the Tama, you don't need any specialty tools, but the screwdriver set I keep on hand is the Oria Precision Screwdriver Kit. I used the same Phillips head screwdriver for the battery door and the internal components. Opening up the Tama was easier than I expected. Just loosen the 4 screws around the battery compartment, and the 2 halves of the shell easily separate. To my surprise, the 2 halves of the shell stay intact quite nicely. With other model Tamas, you have to remove screws from the circuit board to get to the shell, but not here. Now to remove the clear exterior layer that holds the paper faceplate design in place. First, I tried squeezing the sides of the shell, as I saw this work for some collectors with the meats. However, I had no luck. So I took a flathead screwdriver and tried to pry the clear layer from the inside. I'm not sure if this was the best idea, as it really scratched up the original insert. Finally, I wedged the screwdriver in between the blue shell and clear layer and pushed as firmly yet gently as I could, and the clear layer popped out. This did cause a little damage to the blue plastic of the shell, but the shell still feels sturdy. I was kind of expecting this to happen, as I know other collectors have had similar damage to their meats shells when doing this customization. I also scratched the interior of the clear layer in a few spots, but this was difficult to notice when the Tamagotchi was assembled. For now, I'm going to skip putting a new insert in my Tama, as I'm saving that customization for another video, but I decided to quickly put my Tamagotchi back together to make sure everything was still working okay. I recommend making sure your clear layer is completely clean before reassembling to avoid getting any dust or other particles on the screen. And that's all there is to it! Personally, I'd consider this to be a pretty simple and fun customization, but I would warn anyone against doing it if they do not like small blemishes on their Tama. Stay tuned, as I plan on finishing this Tama's customization very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.